Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can edit or delete a ledger in QuickBooks. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now let's go to chart of accounts again and let's see one example. Let's say that you have entered an account by mistake and then you want to delete it. For example, I told you that you don't need to enter the receivables. If you have entered it by mistake like this, let's say I have created an account and I categorize it as other current asset, and then I have entered accounts receivable and I have accidentally posted the balance as well as of 1st of January 2024. Okay. And save and close. So after that, I realized that, oh, this should work as a control account. That means that if I enter the individual customer details, it will automatically update. I don't need to enter that. So now that I have realized that, I need to delete it, right? So how will we delete the ledger in QuickBooks? If we try to right click now and click on delete account, it won't allow us to download. It will show you the problem that QuickBooks cannot download in this account because it has a balance in it. So it's a security feature because every single chart of accounts is associated with a lot of transactions and ultimately affects the financial reports. So it will not allow you to delete like this. It will ask you for the second confirmation that you are not doing it by mistake. You genuinely needs to delete it. So if you want to still delete it, what I'll do is I'll just open the account, double click on the account and open the individual entry. For example, this one, I'll just double click on the type or anywhere, and then I want to delete it, right? Now I cannot see a delete option in front of the screen. So what I'll do is just right click and click on delete deposit and click OK. That's how you delete it. Now close. Now since the ledger is blank now, there is no transaction. Now it will allow you to delete the account. Click OK. So this is how you delete the account. Now let's see another example. Let's say that you have entered the land and buildings balance, and then later on you realize that I should enter land and property, for example. So if I want to edit the name, if I want to edit the date or the amount, what you can do is just right click here and click on edit account, and I can change the name from here. Let's say land and property. I can change the balance from here. I need to change it to, for example, I have entered 8,50,000. Let's say if I wanted to enter 85,000, I can change it from here. I can change the date from here and then save the changes. Let's see. Now it will again show you the prompt that QuickBooks let you delete this, but it's not a good idea. You should not change the transactions according to accounting, right? You should pass the reversal entries and all. So if you want to ignore this, click yes. And that's how you make the changes. Let's say yes. And now the ledger name and the amount has changed. Now let's change it back. Right click edit. Since it was land and building by default, so I'll change it back to the original one. And let's increase the value again and record and click yes. So guys, this is how you can delete the ledger and edit the ledger in QuickBooks.